Got products running out faster than you can restock? No worries. In today's segment, we're looking into backorders in Magento 2, so you can keep those sales going regardless of stock levels. Let's dive in. First, let's cover what exactly is a Magento backorder. Picture this. You find the perfect item online, but it's out of stock. Disappointing, right? With backorders, you can still place your order and simply wait for the item to be restocked. It's a win-win. Customers get their desired products and store owners keep sales flowing. But how does a backorder differ from a pre-order? Here's a quick comparison. A backorder is for items in stock but ran out, whereas a pre-order is for brand new products that have yet to be released. Backorders ensure you're first in line when the item is available. Now, let's walk through how to enable backorders in Magento 2. Log into your Magento 2 admin panel. Navigate to Store, then Configuration. From there, go to Catalog. Click on Inventory. Under Product Stock Options, you'll find the Backorders field. Select your preferred backorder setting. You can choose no backorders, allow quantity below 0, or allow quantity below 0 and notify customer. To limit how many backorders can be placed, enter a number in the out-of-stock threshold field. Hit Save Config to apply the new settings. And that's it. You've now enabled backorders across your store. Simple, isn't it? With these steps, you can ensure that your store always gets a beat or a sale, even when your shelves need restocking. That concludes today's segment, a quick guide to backorders in Magento 2. Make sure to stick around for future videos by subscribing and hit that bell to stay updated.